graph the line y equals -2. And so for this one, we are just going to have a line through where y equals -2. Well, y equals -2 right here, and so we'll just have a solid line all the way through where y equals -2. Another way to look at it, if this is confusing, you can put in values for x. You can say, okay, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So if x equals -2, well, y still equals -2. If x equals -1, we can see with this equation, y will equal -2. If x equals 0, yep, y still equals -2. So no matter the value of x, y always just equals -2. And so you could graph those points. Well, when x is -2, y is -2. When x is -1, y is -1. And so on. So you can see those points. When we form a line through those points, it would be the exact same line. So if you can always just remember it, but if it's kind of hard to remember, you can always set up an XY chart and solve that way.